Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wolt. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you search about the application of Wolt and you click. Here we go to first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.